Sound block 76. I was hoping you could give me a ride to the airport.
Dialogue. Do you need something?
I was hoping you could give me a ride to the airport.
Sure, I can do that. What time do you need to leave?
Around 6 p.m., if that works for you.
More expression. I was hoping we could talk. I was hoping to see you. I was hoping for a better outcome. I was hoping you'd understand. I was hoping it wouldn't rain. Small talk.
1.
Are you free this weekend?
I was hoping we could hang out. 2.
Can you join the meeting tomorrow?
I was hoping to, but I have a conflict. 3.
Did you get the groceries I asked for?
I was hoping to go later today.